Hey everybody, it's Chuck and the Cybertruck. I ordered these accessories off of Tesla's website for the side panel, the Molle adapters, and I also got the cargo divider coming. And I was just going to install them. They go up here in the truck, and they're for attaching things to the sides. I was just going to install them, but as I started putting them together, I figured, there's probably they came differently than I expected. It's going to be just fine, but I figured I might as well put it on video and share it with you guys that are waiting on your Cybertrucks or just interested how it works. These are the Tesla versions, so it's on their website. I think they're $250 each, so they're not cheap, but they're definitely a nice powder-coated aluminum. They're all metal. There's no plastic at all. It looks very, very good. But what I wasn't exactly sure is how they were attaching. I mean, I kind of figured they were going to go into this track, which is what they do, but I didn't visualize in my mind how it was going to work. There's a left one and a right one, and they come in separate boxes, so they ship separately. So you could order just one if you wanted, if you only needed one. And the parts are not the same. As you might imagine, since this one goes, on this side, this piece is molded for that angle, and on that one it's the exact opposite. So when I put them all together, I had to kind of refigure out how the pieces went together. Here again, you can see this piece goes on. So I'm just going to basically install it, assemble them and install them. I'll just speed it up so you can watch if you're interested, and then maybe I'll talk a little bit more when I put it up into the truck. Stick with me. Okay, so hopefully I sped that up for you. So I've got them completely assembled. It does come with a T25 Torx wrench, and it looks like one extra screw per panel. I actually also just took off my bottle opener and replaced them with those cleats. I do a lot more tie downs than I do beer bottle opening in my truck. In any case, remove that because the beer bottle opener came with the Foundation series. And it came with two the track tie downs, but I wanted the cleat tie downs in addition to those other two. Okay, so now these are essentially assembled, and now we'll just go up here and install them. So I'll climb up in the truck and let you watch me do that. Okay, so what did I learn? So there's a specific way that you push the track holes in, and you kind of got to slide it to the side a little bit. When you put those screws in, maybe don't put them in all the way. And the reason I was hand tightening this is because I did not want to cross thread those screws as I was tightening them into this track. But those back bars and those braces they're in there. And it does not interfere with adjusting these guys. It obviously takes up 3 spots on either side for these existing tie downs. And it does say they're rated right here for 100 pounds. So that is the Molle accessory installed, just so you see how it works. A little wrench or a power gun with I believe it's Torx 25. Works good. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful for some of you considering this accessory. I look forward to using it. Have a great day.